Thunderstorm Watch number 37, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Blackford, Delaware, Grant, Henry, Jay, Madison, and Randolph. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements.
That gave me a heart attack, guys. That was random.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the
Enhanced twist day, everyone.
All hazards, Radio KJ 193 in Muncie. The National
There's
Weather
multiple
Service
lines of
Foundation.
severe thunderstorms supposed to be.
It's probably going to be a rainbow.